So here you go, guys. So today is a big day for us kasi we're doing buhos today. So the funny one, guys, is we having little bit tension because I forgot that I'm under by the subdivision, so I forgot to ask to the company that I need to bring this one inside. So but so far they're good anyway. But that was the one that they make me worried because of course the cement that they never agree on it, the cement is in there already, and this one is amount of 53,000. So that was the scary that was the scary part. But so far I solved that one, thanks God. But look like I'm sweating a lot. Look like I'm going to be collapsed. I almost cry for this kind of situation, but at least more lesson to learn for me that this is subdivision. I must think that one, but I really forgot that kind of part though. But now, thanks God, it's okay now. Ay, ay, ay. So, atagi po giwa dito na pa. Sige. So, while we waiting for the cement mixer, this is what happened for the old part. Ma, ay kimagkuan kay matkuan na nakibalo ka kay Richard yan ng bag.
720.
Pila ni?
Di yung kuan gulay yung
Pila daw na?
Nagbibenta.
Mahal na oh.
Ano yung 120 ang kilo. Balik 300 na.
Ang sala? 7.
Bale, tangan ko yung pangalan tong second guys.
Ha? Ano ba mo abotay isa? So the one is done already. So we're waiting again for the one load because this one is 2 loads. So after this one load, another one is coming. Then there you go. Nagpakuha kong tubig kay Kulutoy kay pwedeng uhawa.
Katunda ko kung tayo padala.
Dito ra. Tugbog na man to dito. Yan. So, this one is done so far. So far is done. Done. So far. So, nag-waiting na lang may sa isa. We're waiting for one. Boss! Dili na dito nagdala ko.
Wa kay sili dito sa kuan na kaning tupo.
Tuko.
Kaning pamba.
Ano man?
Anaan man nato to siligon.
Pila ka mo?
Pagkuga.
Pila ka mo?
Pagkuga na kay parang tiles.
Pila ka mo? Papalit ah. Oh, isa lang?
Pwede duha.
Padagan ka kaya? Oh, dili man ako mahirap tani mga panig di ba gud sa kayo.
Pwede siyempre.
Sige, padagan og duha tulo ka buok.
Duha
Duha
na.
na brato ra man na.
Barato.
Okay. Sige. So, there you go. The second mixer is arrived again. So, this is the last one, guys. This is the last that we then after that, we're good. So, there you go. Ah,
Nanaan naman ni pero kunyan lang pa.
unsa man?
Ko'y karasid naman ba?
Aw.
Kanang pangkarasada.
Oh, mas gwapo bitaw gyud ning ana no. Unsa man rentahan?
Nako'y karasid to.
Rentahan na lang nato to.
Bawal na lang ko to.
O, rentahan na lang
Kay
sa nato.
kay pamana mo ka.
Oo,
Kay
sige, ano
pabalik
na lang.
Oh, balik ko pamana.
sige.
Ano na dali ra kayo ni. Bad na. Nawag si bossing sa ako ah.
Ah,
Siya nga. Sa ang mga panda. Okay na naka. Pana ang sa floor rail o sa pan na ano.